Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Gabby, also known as Be Naturally Glam. So today I am doing a try on haul for y'all. It's been forever since I've done one. I think the last time was when I was pregnant. Sorry, that's my baby in the back. I think it was like 2020 when I did my maternity try on haul. So it's long overdue for another one. But this is by SHEIN. All of the items are from SHEIN. I've gotten so addicted to SHEIN, y'all. I feel like I'm searching on Amazon with their stuff. But it's all tops, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy this try on haul for you guys. We're gonna jump right on in. All right, y'all. So first I am trying on this sweater. It's a jade green. It has some pretty ruffles on the shoulders. It goes to the back as well. It's a turtleneck. That's the kind of downfall of this. It's a thick turtleneck. But of course you can roll it down 1 or 2 times. But I love the sweater. It's thick material. And this just the accent on the sweater. I just love it. I forgot to show you all of these at the beginning. But this is why I said sit back and relax, because it's a lot of tops that I ordered. Next I have another sweater. This is a pretty color. It almost reminds me of like a mint green. I love the accent on the sleeve. And they have like the little ruffle style. But they didn't have a tag on it. So I was trying to figure out which was the front and the back. This part I don't like. It's a little weird. The collar. It's like they thought about making a turtleneck but decided not to. So it's just sitting there. It doesn't lay right at all. So I'm going to see. I think that looks better. What y'all think? But it comes down a little long, kind of. You can see. Or, you know, if you want it in your blue jeans, just tuck it in like that. Let the back hang. All right, moving on. Okay, I have a thin blouse here. I love this blouse. The color, it's like a burnt orange. You can see the ruffles at the shoulders. I just love this. It's thin, so it's light. You can wear it in the wintertime or in the fall. And it fits your curves. But I couldn't decide which color. So I think I bought this shirt in like 5 different colors. I'm going to show all of them to you. But you never know how you're going to feel on that day. So I'm going to keep all the colors. And however I'm feeling, that's the color I'll put on that day. So I have a total of 4 different colors actually. So here's the white. And you can't go wrong with white. You can wear that anytime with anything. I have lavender. And this color is really pretty. And this bright red. And it's like a candy apple red. All right, moving on to the yellow. This is more of like a goldish yellow. But I love it. Y'all, I just realized I've been saying ruffle sleeves, but puffy sleeves to be correct. Excuse me. But I love this. Look at the puffy sleeves. It's not too much. It's just enough to give the accent. Go out with your heels on. Of course, you can dress it up or dress it down if you like. They have 2 buttons in the back that you can fasten for it to stay instead of, you know, how some collars droop down. But this is just a pretty color. I am loving it. And it has a little opening here. And the material is thick. But the quality of this blouse is some good quality. Moving on. Next, I have on this navy blue puff sleeve blouse. It's pretty. Y'all, it took me forever to get this shirt on. I guess it's my hair, but it's not much stretch around the neck. I mean, it's pretty, but the material, you can tell. You can see my tank top underneath. It's that thin. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But I love the style of it. It's just too thin and hard to get over my head. It's not much stretch to it at all. All right. All right, moving along is this bishop sleeve blouse. And it's houndstooth on the sleeves. When my arms are by my side, you can see it comes down to my wrist. but when you moving around and stuff, it's almost like a 3/4 length. So I'm wondering if I should just wear it like that because it has elastic on the sleeves, which I do like, but I may be able to just wear it like this. But it is a bishop sleeve because it's puffy all the way down. But I like it. It accentuates the curves. What y'all think? I feel like I'm in the choir. I feel like I'm in the... Moving on to the white. This is another blouse. It kind of reminds you of, I'm going to say this one is a bishop sleeve as well because it's puff sleeved all the way down. What I like about this blouse is it's two different materials. You can see on the sleeve versus the ribbed material that's on the shirt itself. But then they bring the ribbed material back. But it's so pretty. And it fits very well. It's not too tight or anything. Okay, I have another white ribbed blouse. I love the accent on it. You can see the ruffles coming down on the front and the back and around the collar. And then you have a little peak here. So the ruffles are laid right. It's a button in the back. It fits nicely. The material is thin and it's pretty. This is the red, black, and white. Y'all, this thing was so hard to get on. And it's supposed to be a large. Feels like a small. I can't even fix the sleeves. I'm just stuffed in it. And oh, the neck part, if your hair is like mine, don't even try and put it on your head. I love it, but it just doesn't work on me. Nope, I feel like this and it just stuffed in there. And I got it for the holidays. Can y'all see what kind of style I love this year? Catch the hint? All right, this is my last blouse for now. And this is a plaid print. It fits just like the black and white one though. I love it, but it's just too tight. I can't breathe. The only difference is it doesn't have the high neck like the black and white one did. But it's pretty. If you decide to purchase this one or that black and white one, make sure you go a size up. But I hope you all enjoyed this try on haul. I will drop all of the products down in the description box below. I will see you all next time. Happy New Year. Bye.